There's an old saying in education that some teachers have 10 years experience, whereas others seem to have 1 year's experience repeated 10 times. And there's two interesting things that I often reflect on with regard to this saying. The first is that the majority of us presume we're in the first category, and yet that would also include the majority who are in the second category. So how do I know which of those two categories I belong to? And the second one is, nearly all of us have our own personal theories as to why such differences exist, but it's really useful sometimes to compare those personal theories critically with the research evidence that exists. And teacher expertise research is probably the best body of evidence to investigate this question. It can tell us not only about differences between expert teachers and what are sometimes called experienced non-expert teachers, but also critically for this particular issue, exactly how teacher expertise emerges. And that will be the subject of my talk at the IH Future of Training Conference in November. My name is Jason Anderson. Come along if you're interested. Thank you.